Hello there guys, my name is Korak Roy and in this video I'm going to show you my latest buy, the Realme Narzo 50i. Let me tell you about the features. Inside the box you will find the handset, an adapter, a USB cable, a SIM card tool, screen protect film, an information booklet with a warranty card and a quick guide. This phone has a smart mint green shade and a slim build. Its 6.5-inch HD display screen offers crystal clarity. The phone comes in two RAM variants, 2GB and 4GB. It also has an internal storage capacity of 64GB which is expandable up to 256GB. This phone has an 8-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera that allows you to capture images and videos in high quality. Add to that a 5000 mAh battery and you're in for uninterrupted long-term use. Having used this smartphone for the last 2 weeks, I can tell you that this is a blend of style and quality features. Give it a try yourself.